Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Cardo Spirit devices. First, power on both of your Cardo Spirit units. Make sure they are fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the pairing process. It is also helpful to keep the two devices close, ideally within 1 meter, for the initial connection. This ensures a strong signal for successful pairing. Next, we need to put both Cardo Spirit units into pairing mode. On your first device, press and hold the intercom button for approximately 5 seconds. You will see the LED light flash alternately red and blue, confirming it is ready to pair. Now, perform the exact same action on your second Cardo Spirit unit. Both devices should now be actively searching for each other. With both devices in pairing mode, briefly press the intercom button on just one of the Cardo Spirit units. You do not need to hold it down this time. The devices will then begin to automatically search for and connect to each other. Once a connection is established, the LED light on both units will turn solid blue, indicating a successful intercom link. Finally, it is time to test your new intercom connection. Speak into the microphone on one device, and you should hear your voice clearly through the other unit. You can easily adjust the volume using the scroll wheel on your Cardo Spirit. Now you are ready to enjoy seamless, clear communication with your riding partner, enhancing your journey experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.